One thing this global pandemic has shown us is that we have to find ways to live more sustainably, especially before it gets too late. Now, we can learn a lot from honeybees, which are some of the most productive creatures on this earth. And they're here to help us be more sustainable and productive. In fact, they're so important that if bees keep dying off, we'll die off. Look, I'm Brother Ilia Rashad Muhammad, and most people know me from my revolutionary work as a public educator and as the author of those books that still have world scholars and government officials afraid to face. But what's shocking to many people is the fact that I've been an avid beekeeper for the last 10 years or so. I and other experienced beekeepers have developed an easy-to-follow course designed for those interested in becoming a beekeeper, especially for people who have a busy life and just want to learn a hobby that can yield benefits at the same time. Because even as a hobby, beekeeping is one of the most productive and beneficial hobbies you can take up, especially if you're trying to live sustainably. Now, I started this course because people were curious about why I started beekeeping in the first place, and because they saw firsthand how it benefited us. So people wanted to know how feasible it is for them to do it with their busy schedules. Now, of course, everyone, it seems these days, is learning about the necessity of bees and the benefits of natural honey and other bee products, because the more people become conscious about their health and conscious about the environment, the more they realize the profits and benefits and necessities of doing things like becoming a beekeeper, even if it's just a side hobby. So whether it's the medicinal benefits of honey and beeswax and propolis and royal jelly, or whether it's the fact that the bees are necessary to pollinate our gardens and farms to produce healthy, sustainable crops. Regardless as to what reason it is, beekeeping is a win-win-win situation. Well, we've already done the hard work to make it easy for you to learn and get started as a beekeeper. Whether you live in a suburb or on a farm or in the middle of an urban city like me, I'm encouraging you to start learning and preparing now so you'll be well equipped to start your productive hobby as a beekeeper when the season starts. Yes. With our self-paced learning modules and video tutorials and demonstrations and live web resources, you can become a beekeeper too in this easy-to-follow course designed by master teachers and experienced beekeepers to make your journey highly productive, even as a total beginner. Just check out the link below to get started. Again, I'm Brother Ilia Rashad Muhammad, that Africanized beekeeper. Y'all check us out, okay?